Hey you guys, this is your girl Sheizdopetastic, and I'm going to show you my version of Ceviche de Camaron. Okay, so I start off by boiling a bunch of seasonings, garlic, cumin, and other seasonings, and then I boil it and turn the heat down low. And then I drop my shrimp for about 4 minutes until they curl into a C. They aren't done, so I transfer them into a bowl and then let the lime cook them the rest of the way. So while they're cooking in the refrigerator, I go ahead and chop my cucumber, my tomato, my red onion, and my avocado and mix those all together with a little bit of salt and some other seasonings. You should also use cilantro, which I didn't have on hand, but it's okay. It turned out good. So I go ahead and take them out of the refrigerator and I chop them up into fine pieces and I add them to the bowl. I then add clamato to the mixture. You can decide how much you want or don't want. Then you simply put the ceviche on top of a tostada and it's really good. I used a baked tortilla and it came out really good, but enjoy.